How to cook tasty and yummy turnip prawns gravy in 15 minutes. Ingredients for tasty and yummy turnip prawns gravy are 5 turnip, 10 prawns, 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 3 green chilies, 2 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 teaspoon pink salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 5 medium pieces of coconut turned to coconut milk, 2 teaspoon homemade ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander. Peel the skin of turnips. Clean them thoroughly. Chop them in thin pieces. Take 10 prawns and clean them. Clean the onions, and chop them into small pieces. Clean the tomatoes, and chop them into small pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the cooker and heat it. Fry the onions in the hot oil. Add 2 teaspoons of pink salt. Continue to fry till the onions turn golden brown. Add chopped tomatoes to the cooker. Add the prawns to the pan and continue to fry. Add 2 teaspoons of homemade ginger garlic paste and continue to fry. Make sure the ingredients do not burn, add water and continue to fry. Add chopped coriander. Add 3 green chilies. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder and continue to fry. The more you fry, the masalas will release their flavor and smell good. Once the masala is cooked, it starts to release the oil to the top. Blend the pieces of coconut to milk. Then add chopped turnip and mix them well. Add the coconut milk at the end of cooking to give it a creamy and sweet taste. Let the dish cook for 5 minutes. By now the turnips are half cooked. Close the cooker lid and leave it for 2 whistles. Tasty turnip prawns gravy is ready. Serve it with rice and fried chicken.